again. I'm coming on your screen again. Um, this is a different view here. Right now, I'm in my living room, not living room, I'm sorry, my dining room. As you can see, I'm going to bring to you today ideas how to decorate your table, how to have a beautiful, elegant tablescape for Thanksgiving. All right, the Christmas one is coming, but right now today we're going to do the Thanksgiving tablescape, table decoration, because Thanksgiving is what, in a couple of weeks. Okay, it's getting colder outside where I am, and now I'm thinking I thought to, let's have a video and show the people how they can have an elegant tablescape without breaking the bank, without, trimming the budget for the meal, for the table, for the meal, I'm sorry. Okay, so now I have my white tablecloth, which I got from Amazon, and link will be below. And then my flowers are from Christmas, not Christmas tree, I'm sorry, I keep on saying Christmas tree, but the Dollar Tree. All right, and the vase, and this vase I got it somewhere else. All right, so now I don't know, do you guys like my outfit? I got myself ready all for you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe, and tell your friend about this new channel. Okay, so now we're gonna have table charger, we're gonna have runner, table runner, and I will let you guys know where I got everything. Okay, so don't worry, link will be below, whichever I can link, and yeah. All right, let's go. As you can tell, I haven't touched these things. I ordered them. Okay, I wanted to use this color because it's gonna pop. All right, I'm gonna put these on the side. Oops. It's going to pop. I see a lot of people are using this type of one nowadays. I have different one, but I wanted to try these out to see. Not bad. You'll be surprised. I got these from Shein, right? Alright, from Shein. That's it. Is it crooked? I'm not sure. Alright, table. Oh, looks nice already. You know what I forgot? I forgot to purchase the napkin, which is the same color. I bought a different one. Okay. Looks great. Alright, you guys. Now I'm going to place the chargers, right? These are gold chargers, which I got from the Dollar Tree, right? I'm a great Dollar Tree fan. Alrighty. Whoops. It looks great already. Now I have two type of plates, right? All for Thanksgiving. This are dinner plate from the Dollar Tree. This have pumpkin, it's for the season. Pumpkin and some vine and stuff like that. The color of the season. And this is different, very much more colorful. The leaves are changing. This is the color of the season right now too. The leaves are changing, and this is what we have. Okay, all gonna be, so I'm gonna do mix. I'm gonna do 3 of these and 3 of these, because we have a 6 setting, 6 plate settings. All right, one's gonna be on one side and the other one's gonna be on the other side. And then this one says thankful, right? Which I like. I'm gonna match them up. Alright, looks great already. I am on a roll. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna bring the camera much closer to give you a better look. So I went ahead, I placed these wine glasses, I would call them, and then some dessert not cup, but glasses that I've had for a few years now. And these are little candle holders or tea light holders that I got from Dollar Tree also. I like them because of the color. They have a color gradient. The bottom is gold, and then they have some type of a color similar to the color of the season. I think they might look well on the table. Okay, so I have my plate settings, my glassware, my centerpieces. Now what I'm missing now, right now. So I added my glasses and some more decoration. Of course, I'm going to bring the camera closer for you guys to see. The reason that I chose this angle is because my battery is dying from my camera. So as I said before, I thought I didn't purchase, but I did. These are the napkin, all from Shein, and then the napkin ring, also from Shein. All right. Okay, so let's see what I do with them. I think they were six. I'm just going to do like this because they're pretty soft, and I like the color, the burnt color. Otherwise, for these napkin rings, you would need. I didn't know I was good at these things. Look at that. When I threw my mother's party this summer, oh, it was nice. We threw her a backyard party so she could see all her friends, family, people in the church that she haven't seen in a while. Oh, wow. Now I have to put my candles, and also I'm gonna put the silverware. Stay tuned. Hold on. Alright, you guys, I wanted to have some candle on the table to add some kind of element. I don't know if you can see me. To have some kind of elegance, I should say. Luckily, I found those candles stick holders at the Dollar Tree. I told you guys, Dollar Tree, and then I only found one of them this height. Otherwise, I would have bought more of the smaller one, because when you have the mix and match, I should say the taller one and the short one, it gives some type of a dimension on the table, and it makes it even more elegant, right? This goes here, this goes there. See that? Even I don't know if I have enough candlesticks for those. How many do I have? And of course, I'm not going to lit them today because this is just practice for Thanksgiving, right? Okay, let me put this one here, and then this one over there. It looks fabulous. I'm so proud of myself. I need one more of the candlestick, right? I need one more. One more. I found one more in my cabinet right there. Oh my gosh. You know what would be nicer? If the candles were different colors, like the brownish color. I've watched this lady online, what she does, she paints them. Alright? Maybe next time that's what I'll do. So everything is almost done. One essential thing is missing. The silverware. I'll be right back. This is the napkin ring, which I got from what you call it, Shein, and the napkin also is from Shein, and everything is very affordable, right? If you look at the table, everything is affordable, so there is no reason you cannot have a beautiful tablescape so everybody can enjoy not only a nice meal but also enjoy the atmosphere. Okay, we have our table runner, tablecloth, our silverware, and our glassware. Everything is affordable, and also you can pull out other things from your cabinet and use them as well. You know, you don't have to go buy new things. Look at that. I just love this. I just love this. The colors are vibrant, all colors of the season. And these pumpkins, of course, all from the Dollar Tree. You know, all from the Dollar Tree. Just wanted to give you different view of the table, and the candles also brought in a different type of it changes. If you light the candles, it's just gonna take it to a different level. Of course, I'm not gonna do that. It's so beautiful. I just love these plates from the Dollar Tree. I just love them, you know. It's so, you cannot tell me. Oh, excuse my ashy hands, y'all. You cannot tell me this is not elegant. All on a budget. Yeah. Look at that. I just love it. I just love it. And then the Christmas one too is coming. I'm gonna have a Christmas one.